Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of the story, the envious neighbor. The envious neighbor. Envious meaning, what is the meaning? Jealous, neighbor. Understand? It is a classical story. It is a classical story. This story which is highlighted the important cultural aspects of Japan. Understand? Last class, what you learned? Do you remember, children? The dog was unfortunately killed by the stingy old couple because the dog did not show the lucky place to them. And after his death also, the dog could be a useful animal for his master. Let us learn how could the dog become a useful animal for his master. Let us learn the theme of the remaining story. Before going to learn the theme, let us learn the meaning of the words in the today's teaching part. Listen carefully, dears. Suspect, suspecting, doubting, suspect, doubt. And the next one, sprinkle, S-P-R-I-N-K-L-E, sprinkle, spray. And the next one, odd time, got in this place received, got or received, acquired, virtues, V-R-T-U-E-S, virtues, morality or goodness, sprout, S-P-R-O-U-T, sprout, begin to grow, blossom, B-L-O-S-S-O-M, blossom, flower. And the next one, strange, unknown, reward, price of money, rejoicing, joy, revive, R-E-V-I-V-E, revive, bring to life or rescue, rescue means save, bring to life. And the next one, exhibit meaning show, retainers, prince retainers, P-R-I-N-C-E, princess retainers, servants, sorry plight is sorry plight meaning pity, distress, upset or sad, sorrowful, reproving, scolding, blaming, cursing. In this case, scolding and blaming these words are suitable. In this, mended, improved. Princess retainers. First part, yesterday's class, how many characters are involved in the first part of the story? Yesterday's teaching, 5 characters. Generous old man and his wife, wicked old man, stingy old man and his wife and dog. The dog belonged to the generous old couple, isn't it or not, children? But today, seven characters. Yesterday five characters, today seven characters. Seven, more than seven. Princes, retainers, servants, more than court, many servants were there in Ukana. Prince, today's generous old couple, stingy old couple or wicked old couple. They killed the dog. That is the reason the author introduced the generous stingy old couple as a wicked old couple. Do you know, children? First the stingy old couple, because they were miser, so they did not spend the money. Spend the money for survival. Understand? That's why the characters introduced as a stingy old couple. Next, they killed the dog. That is the reason they were called as wicked old couple. Understand, Aramkana? And next one, Prince, who is another one character. Prince and his servants, retainers. Understand, Aram children? Up to turn, let us recall the story before going to learn today's teaching part name. Listen carefully, dears.
Before going to learn the remaining part of the story, let us recall what we learned in the previous class. Once upon a time, there was an old man lived with his wife. They had a pet dog. The honest old couple used to feed the dog fish and tidbit from their own kitchen. One day they had a work in the garden, so they went to do the work in the garden. When their pet dog also went along with them, and it started playing. In a no time at all, the dog stopped playing. The dog started barking at a particular place by wagging its tail front and back at a high speed. Understand or not, children? The old couple thought to themselves, the dog happened to find the tasty food under the ground. That is the reason they planned to bring the instruments spared to dig the spot where the dog had to be barked. Understand? They surprised to see that place. They surprised to see that place because the place was full of gold and silver. The place was full of gold and silver. There was a treasure which was shown by the dog by barking. The luck place was shown by their dog by barking. They also found the precious things which had been buried there. They were too happy to collect the treasure like silver and gold. They wished to donate the treasure to the poor people first of all, and also they used the treasure to buy the rice fields and corn fields to become a wealthy couple. The news was known to the neighbors. The next door, neighbors were greedy. Understand? On hearing that message, the greedy neighbor went to borrow the dog from the generous old couple. Understand? Who borrowed the dog from generous old couple? Greedy couple borrowed the dog from generous old couple. After taking the dog to home, the greedy old couple had given the great meal to the dog. They called the dog Mister. They would bring to have a great obligation to the dog, that the dog should show the place where the plenty of money had been buried. They asked the dog to show the luck place. They gave a great feast to the dog, but the dog did not have anything else because the greedy old couple treated the dog rudely by cuffing and kicking. Understand? They were ghosters. Who were ghosters? The greedy couple were the ghosters. Understand? The greedy couple got irritation because the dog did not have anything else. Whether the dog had the great feast or not, the greedy couple put the rope around the dog's neck to lead the dog into the garden. But everything was waste. The dog did not bark any sound at all. The dog bow at all for them. They just went The dog just went where they had taken. Finally, the dog stopped at a particular place to bark at a particular place. Stopped to bark at a particular place, and also it started sniffing the spot, sniffing the spot. The greedy couple thought to themselves, the dog showed a the dog showed a luck place. And the next one, there was a treasure. So they decided to dig that spot to find the quantity of dirt and nasty apple. There was a bad smell, so they had to cover their noses. They were too ferocious to the dog for showing the dirt. Due to the disappointment, the greedy old couple caught and killed the dog for showing the nasty apple instead of treasure. The dog belonged to the generous old couple, but the greedy couple borrowed the dog to kill it because the dog did not show the luck place. Understand? Next point. Listen carefully, children. The honest old man had to wait for some days. He did not know what happened to the dog. He asked the greedy man. What had happened to the dog. He replied that he had killed the dog to bury the dog under the pine tree. The good old fellow did not tell anything else. His mind is filled with the sadness to return to the spot where the dog had been buried. Understand or not, children? And the next one, he burnt the incense sticks and decorated the buried place with flowers. He shed tears for his losing pet, losing his pet. He prayed the dog's soul in rest space on the day. On the day night. The honest old man had fallen asleep in the bed to have a dream. The dog appeared in his dream. The dog would thank his master for taking care of him and for showing unconditional love to him. Understand or not, Kana? And the second one, the dog asked his master to cut down the pine tree to make a mortar to use it. The dog asked him to think mortar as himself. Let us see the magic. Next magic happened. Understand or not, Kana? Next, the old man also did the same what the dog had appeared to tell in his dream. He made the mortar out of the wood of the pine tree. After making the mortar, the honest old man ground in it. Each grain of the rice turned into some rich treasure, seed of gold. Understand or not, Kana? Seed of gold. For example, I tell you, seed of gold. Rich treasure is only there. And the next one, a wicked old couple happened to know that message, so they came to borrow the mortar to grind. Nothing happened to them. Understand? Each grind turned into filthy. Understand? Do you know the difference? When the kind-hearted couple used the mortar to grind, each grind turned into treasure. When the wicked couple used the mortar to grind, each grind turned into filthy dirt. Understand? And the next one, what happened? His tension was mount up. So they did not tolerate about that they did not return it. They got angry to break the mortar, to burn it. Understand? First time they borrowed the dog, they did not return it. Second time they borrowed the mortar, they did not return it. The honest old man did not suspect the greedy couple. The honest old man wondered himself why he hadn't returned the mortar, because the days rolled on. Let us continue to learn the remaining part of the story. Listen carefully, children. One night the dog appeared to him again in a dream and told him what had happened, adding that if he would take the ashes of the burnt mortar and sprinkle them on withered trees, the trees would revive and suddenly put out flowers. Understand? One day night, who appeared again whose dream the dog appeared the honest man dream. One day night, the dog appeared again in his dream, and the dog asked him to collect the ashes of mortar and and spray upon the withered plants. Withered means dead plants or dead trees or dead trees. As early as the trees would get life, the trees would get life, the trees also started blooming, the trees also started blooming. And the next one, after saying this, the dream vanished, and the old man who heard for the first time the loose of his motor ran out weeping to the neighbor's house and begged them at any rate to give him back the ashes of his treasure. Ashes of his treasure. After telling that information, the dog disappeared in his dream. Through his dream, the good old man or the honest old man happened to know that his motor was burnt by the greedy neighbors. So he was crying and running towards his neighbor's house. He begged them to give the ashes of motor. Let us see the magic, children. Let us see the magic. First time the dog asked him to make a mortar by using the wood of the pine tree. Understand or not, Kana? And also the dog second time also showed the luck to his master. And this time what would happen? Listen carefully, children. Let us continue to learn the next paragraph. Having obtained it, he returned home and made a trial of their virtues upon a withered cherry tree, which upon being touched by the ashes immediately began to sprout and blossom. Listen carefully, children. After getting the ashes, he returned home to spray the ashes of the mortar upon the withered cherry tree. Understand? Where did he spray the ash, Kana? He sprayed the ashes of mortar upon the withered cherry tree. On touching the ashes upon the withered plants, the tree began to sprout and blossom. Understand or not, Kana? The withered trees started blooming. Understand? Withered trees started blooming. Let's see next one. When he saw this wonderful effort, he put the ashes into the basket and went about the country, announcing himself as an old man who had the power of bringing dead trees to life again. Yeah. After seeing the wonderful thing, on seeing the wonderful moment, he carried the basket of ashes and went about the country to announce that he had a power of reviving dead trees. The honest old man who showed his power by causing all withered plants and cherry trees withered plants and cherry trees. First he exhibited his power by showing the ashes upon the cherry tree. Understand or not, children? Do you all understand, children? Who announced that? Who had a powerful ashes? The honest old man had a powerful ashes. If he sprayed the ashes upon the dead trees, the tree would get life. Understand? Let us continue to learn. Listen. He announced that he had ashes. It had a power to bring life to all dead trees. Let us continue to learn. Listen carefully, children. A certain prince, hearing of this and thinking it a mighty strange thing, sent for the old fellow who showed his power by causing all the withered plum and cherry trees to shoot out and put forth flowers. So the prince gave him a rich reward of pieces of silk and cloth and other presents and sent him home rejoicing. Yeah. On hearing that message, the prince ordered to bring the old fellow. It was a treasure. The prince asked the old fellow to show his power of ashes. He was asked to spray the ashes upon withered cherry trees and plum trees. In no time at all, those trees shoot out the new leaves and started blooming. There was some magic. There were blossoms of the plum and cherry trees. Understand, Kana? On seeing that wonderful power, the prince gave him a rich rich reward of a precious piece of silk and clothes, a piece of silk and clothes and other presents, and sent him with wholehearted happiness, sent him home with wholehearted happiness. What did the prince give the honest old man? Rich reward of pieces of silk and cloth and other present. Understand or not, Kana? Understand or not? Do you all understand the theme of this paragraph? Who asked to show the who asked to show the power of his ash? The prince asked the honest old man to show his power of power of ashes. Let us continue to learn the next paragraph. Listen carefully. Do you know dogs in warfare have a very long history, starting in ancient times from being trained in compact to their use as scouts, sentries, and trackers. Their uses have been varied and some continue to exist in modern military usage. Yeah, the dogs are in vital role in all the investigation department, isn't it? Police department, isn't it? Not gonna, and military, modern military usage also. Let us continue to learn the next paragraph. Keep in the mind continuation of the story. As soon as the neighbors heard of this, they collected all the ashes that remained, and having put them in a basket, the wicked old man went out into the castle town and gave out that he was the old man who had a power of reviving dead trees. Listen carefully. What happened? On hearing the message, next what happened? Listen carefully, children. On hearing that message, the wicked old man collected the remaining ashes of the mortar, and he carried the basket of ashes and went out into the castle town. He told that he was a old man. He had a powerful ashes. He had to bring the life of the dead trees. As soon as he was called into the castle, he was called into the princess palace to show his power. Listen carefully, children. And the next one, what happened? Wicked old man went out in the castle town and gave out that he was the old man who had the power of reviving dead trees and causing them to flower. He had not to wait long before he was called into the princess palace and ordered to exhibit his power. Yeah, he did nothing happen. Listen one second. No time at all. He was called into the princess palace to show his power. Understand or not, Kanna? First time the honest old man announced that he was a old man. He had a powerful ashes. The ashes had a power to revive the life of the dead trees. Revive the dead trees. Understand or not, children? And next, what happened? The greedy old couple also did the same. Let us continue to learn the story. Listen carefully, children. But when he climbed up into a withered tree and began to scatter the ashes, not bud or flower appeared, but the ashes all flew into the prince's eyes and mouth, blinding and shocking him. Understand? Listen. He climbed to the withered tree to spray the ashes upon the tree. Nothing happened. There were no leaves, no buds, no flowers. Instead of the ashes flew into the prince's eyes. The ashes flew into the prince's eyes and mouth. As a result of flying ashes, the prince's eyes became blind. He had a mouthful of ashes. So the prince got angry. The prince got angry. And the next one, so the prince punished him severely. The prince retainers, listen one second. What happened? When the prince's retainers saw this, they seized the old man and beat him almost to death, so that he called off home in a very sorry plight. plight. When he and his wife found out what a trap they had fallen into, they scolded themselves. They scolded themselves. Listen 1 second, children. The prince Retinus saw that. Understand? They had arrested the greedy old man and beaten him severely. Beaten him severely, almost to death. He looked pity. He could not walk. He could not walk. He curled to reach his home. He curled like curling. He was curling to reach his home. Understand? Let us learn the next paragraph. Listen carefully, children. The good old man and woman, as soon as they heard of their neighbor's distress, sent for them, and after reproving them for their greed and cruelty, gave them as a share of their own riches, which by repeated strokes of luck had now increased to a goodly sum. Yeah, the greedy old couple blamed themselves for their worst act. For their worst act. When he and his wife found out what a trap they had fallen into, they scolded themselves. The greedy old couple blamed themselves for their worst act, because they caught to fall with great difficulties. The good old man and woman, as soon as they heard of their neighbor's distress, sent for them, and after reproving them for their greed and cruelty. Yeah, on hearing the message, what happened to the wicked old couple? They called greedy couple to his home. Understand, Kana? The greedy old couple were sad. Understand, children? The good old couple did not tolerate to see their worst condition. They blamed the wicked old couple greediness and cruel behaviors. They contribute. Listen 1 second. And the next one, gave them a share of their own riches, which by repeated strokes of luck had now increased to a goodly sum. They blamed their worst behavior, and also they would like to contribute a part of their own riches to the greedy old couple. Do you all understand, children? Who gave the own riches to whom? Honest old couple gave the own riches to greedy old couple, which by repeated strokes of luck had now increased to a goodly sum. Understand? They had a good luck. The riches had increased. The riches means the amount or gold had what had given to the greedy couple, that should be increased due to generous heart. And the next one, what is it? So the wicked old couple mended their ways and led good and virtuous lives ever after. Yeah, the greedy couple realized their mistakes. The greedy couple realized their mistake. The greedy couple gave up their worst habits. Realized their mistake to give up their worst habits to acquire the moral qualities. They developed their lives by using the riches which was given by the honest old couple. They started to lead a moral life, virtuous life. Do you all understand the theme of the story, children? Everybody is able to understand the theme of the story. Let us appropriate the answer in the following 1 marks. Listen carefully, children. Identify the character or speaker of the following lines. They gathered the treasure. Who gathered the treasure? The honest old man and his wife. The pine tree under which I am buried to be cut down and made into a mortar. The words are delivered by the dog to his master. Third question. They dug and found nothing but a quantity of dirt and nasty offal. Who found the dirt? The greedy old couple. Whom does they refer? They refers to the greedy old couple. Fourth question. He had not to wait long before he was called into the prince's palace and ordered to exhibit his power. The greedy old man or the wicked old man. And the next one, fifth question. Bow, wow. These words are barked by the dog. Understand? Second Roman, based on your understanding of the story, choose the right answers from the given options. The old farmer and his wife loved the dog. For what reason, children? As they were kind to all living beings. Option C is the right answer. Second one, when the old couple became rich. For what reason? When the old couple became rich. For what reason, Kana? Do you know the reason? Yeah, lived a comfortable life and were generous towards their poor neighbors. Lived a comfortable life and were generous towards their poor neighbors. You all understand? Third question. Listen. Third question. Next page. The greedy couple borrowed the mortar to make a pile of gold. Pile of gold. Option C is the right answer. Listen, children. Let us continue to complete the following one marks. Listen. Refer to what happens in the folktale and complete the story with the help of the hints given in the mind map. It is a mind map. According to the theme of the story, we are going to appropriate the right answer to complete the mind map. First dash. There lived an old man with his wife who had a favorite dash caught a treasure. What is the favorite dog? Favorite dog. And with its help, they got a treasure. And with its help, they got a treasure. In the first dash, what you are going to write the answer? Dog, and with its help, they got a treasure. Second box, there dwelt a covetous and stingy old man and woman. Yeah, in the neighborhood. In the neighborhood. Third one. Listen. The wicked old couple seized the dog and killed him. And killed the dog also correct. Killed him also correct, because in this story the dog is called as he. The dog word is refers to the pronoun he. In this place object. Killed him also correct. Killed the dog also correct, because the dog did not show the luck place. Isn't it, Anakana? They broke the mortar. Who broke the mortar? The wicked old couple broke the mortar. Isn't it, Anakana? They broke the mortar and burnt it. Burnt, B-U-R-N-T, burnt it. And fifth question, they collected all the ashes that remained. Who collected the remaining ashes? Remaining ashes of the mortar? The wicked old couple, they collected all the ashes that remained and put them in a basket. Understand? Yeah, the wicked old man also carried the ashes of the mortar in the basket. Understand? And honest old man also carried the ashes in the basket. Do you know, children? But do you know the answer? First question, what is the answer? Dog. First dash, what is the answer? Dog, with its help, they got a treasure. Second one, in the neighborhood. Third one, answer is killed him or killed the dog. Fourth question answer is, fourth dash answer is mortar or burnt it. And fifth one dash is and put them in a basket. I think you are able to answer to all the 1 marks question. Thank you, children.